Progress report November 15th. Got both engine blocks cleaned, ready to go. All the components ready for installation, all cleaned. Engine room components that are going on the forward and aft bulkheads, those all have to be painted to be like new. Fuel filters, oil transfer, oil change system. Beginning the transmission rebuild. This transmission can handle 800 horsepower. I'm thinking it will work just fine with those Cummins. Pistons cleaned up, ready to go, both engines. They were a mess. All the airbox components, thermostats, oil coolers, head valve covers, all cleaned up, ready to go. Tons of work. You gotta prep every gasket surface. These were all filled with salt water and corrosion. Turbos, all cleaned up, ready to go. Just awaiting the new bearing kits. All this stuff right here, every bit of that will be replaced, and it'll be like new. $3,500 turbos back in business.